Hello, welcome back to another how-to video. Today I'll be attempting to make hoodie pullovers and dresses for my made-to-move original dolls based on my made-to-move curvy sewing patterns. And so for these garments, I start with assessing what changes do I need to do with the original pattern. And then I trace the reference patterns, which are, like I said earlier, they're for curvy dolls. So I decided that I will be removing 1 centimeter from the front panel as well as the back panel. I believe it's easier to just remove from the center and never touch the sleeves part, since I don't really mind the sleeves. They're okay with a baggy look like that. And I also decided to remove a bit of the front pocket. Okay, so now that we have new measurements for the neckline, the neck hole circumference, we may need to check with the doll head circumference because we want to make sure that the garment gets through the doll's head so she can wear it, right? So right now I'm taking measurements of the original hood base. Let's call it the base. The base is like this part that connects to the neckline. I'm measuring that right now, and I realized that we have reduced the neckline circumference, and this time it wouldn't match the hood base measurement. So to resolve this, what I did was lengthen the front panel's neckline like so, by kind of like making a lower neckline of sorts, so that we can have a longer measurement for the circumference that will match the hoodie base. But then again, I realized that it's not enough, so what I did was shorten that part. As you can see in the video, I shortened the hood base measurements so that they match. I think I'm happy with my new design, my new measurements, so I am preparing my patterns now for tracing later. As for the hoodie dress, I basically used the same technique, just remove the front center width, but I did not change the back panel since this dress is slightly fitter compared to the hoodie pullover, which is a little baggy. Took away some of the width of the sleeves because it's a little wider. I also removed some of the front pocket and readjusted the hood base. And for our third garment, which is a cropped hoodie pullover, I just grabbed my crop tee sewing pattern and combined it with my hoodie dress pattern. So yeah, there you go. And since we are using the hood part of the hoodie dress, we are now applying the neckline onto the neckline measurements onto the front and the back panels of the crop tee or the cropped pullover. And I also decided to just remove some length from the sleeves and also the front pocket, just like what we did with the earlier garments. So yeah, I think our 3 new patterns are ready, and for now I won't be showing you guys how I made them because I just run them on my sewing machine, and there are very detailed videos that I have made in the past. I'll put the links in the description box. So I really like how these new patterns have turned out, and I hope you learned something from this video, which I really had a hard time doing voiceover for. But yeah, I'm having fun, so I hope you are too. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!